There have been a dozen times where life would have been so much easier if I could just download the listing photos off of the MLS. I mean, Zillow and Redfin do it. You know what? It only takes 30 seconds. Let me show you how. Okay, so first there's a disclaimer. The listing photos are owned by the agent that paid for the photos or the photographer that took the photos. No! In both cases, you'll want to understand the rights. But most of the time, people don't realize that when they upload their pictures to a public database and they don't specify the rights usage, they're giving permission anyway.
60% of the time, it works every time.
They don't realize it, even if they're at a different brokerage than you are. It's easiest and safest to just ask for permission from the listing agent. But if they're being stubborn, check your local board and its ethics policy before using these photos for your own marketing. Okay, so go to the MLS and enter a property address that you'd simply love to market. So I'm going to type in 5228 Texas Bluebell. So take a gander at the pictures for a moment. And I like to look through this and I see, and okay, so this is a good property. I like to also check the broker info. So I scroll down and I see that it's Nicole with eXp Realty. And we know each other already, so she's cool. Although even if it wasn't Nicole, I know that we're at the same broker, so she's more likely to give me permission to market because, you know, we're all about sharing. So good. So I click on photos and then I get a good look at all the different options without having to scroll through everything. Check the box over here on the left-hand corner and select export at the bottom. When you click it, you get another drop down. So you choose all photos and hit export. And when you do that, it asks you to save the file. It's easy enough, right? So now that you know how to borrow photos from the MLS, other than using it on Facebook Marketplace and Instagram, where would you use this? I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.